into Tappit for the very first time, here you can see the basic details of your account. Your trending posts, some quick links below, and if you want to resell Tappit to your customers to earn commissions, you can get your affiliate link from here after purchasing the reseller license. Now, this is the time to define a few settings. The first one is integration. Here, you can integrate your autoresponder, CRM, webinar accounts to connect with your customers. You can configure your social media accounts to viral your posts on social media to drive traffic on your site, define settings for Google AdSense and your banner ads here in the advertisement section, and integrate these inbuilt content providers to get unlimited content from there. You can define SMO settings from this section. Tappit also allows you to run 5 slides on your site for promoting best offers. You just need to set the image and text for the same, and you can do that here. If you want to disable this feature, you can do that too. You can mention legal policy, terms and conditions of your business in this section. And my friend, as it is mandatory as well as a good practice to take consent to install cookies on customers' browsers, you can set the notification for the same here as per your requirement. Here comes the team management, which allows you to manage your team members by assigning roles and privileges to respective team members. You can even customize the roles as per your business profile needs. So now you don't have to burden yourself for every little task. You can devote more time for planning and other important business aspects. Isn't it a smart way? Of course it is, right? In this business settings option, you can change the name, color scheme, logo, and favicon of your business if needed at any point in time. You can get the details of recent activities with all users with the help of this session option. And in this notification area, you will see notifications for all the posts shared by you. Now, let's take a look at the dashboard menu options. In the list option, you can view and manage all your lists of subscribers and also can create a new list. Under Site option, there are 2 sections, Video and Article. In video, you can create a category for your videos. Give it a name, write a description, and set an image to add a viral page on your site by just selecting the category and searching the keywords or URL from YouTube. The same way, you can add a story to your site manually by just giving an article title and writing an article description. Along with this, if you do want to indulge yourself in any hassle of writing an article, you can simply fetch the content from content providers and create your post. Amazed with the efficacy this cloud-based software has for your business? Yes, Tappit is designed to meet the needs of every marketer newbie or advanced with its powerful and astonishing features. I could go on and on with the flexibility this unique and proven software offers. If you want to run notification ads on your site, you can set them here in Ad Campaign section. You can promote the products, you can drive traffic to any page or website, and grab unlimited leads with the help of astonishing and eye-catchy fully editable templates. Now, if you want to share your posts on social media, you just need to tap it up here on Social Campaign. And Tappit will start sharing as per the defined settings. To optimize your site and posts in it for search engines, you just need to enter a few required details here, and it will be done. So no need to pay a single penny to get high rankings on search engines. That's not all. From the chat section, you can integrate FB Messenger on your site by activating the chat option, which is the smart and latest way to connect to your audience, isn't it? If you want to set an automation to fetch content automatically from content providers or authority sites, this section will help you to do that. Just set your preferences, and the rest will be taken care of by your pal, Tappit. Library is also there to store images which you can upload from your computer and use them in your posts. You can also search unlimited stock images directly from Pixabay. You can also view the graphical and digital representation of reports here for each video and article shared by you. You will get the stats for the posts you have shared on social media as well. Isn't that a complete power-packed software? But my friend, I am not done yet. Along with your purchase, you get amazing bonuses that you can access from the list of hand-picked and useful bonuses available under the bonus section. To add more to your delight, we have also created helpful and easy to understand step-by-step training videos for you to gain granular knowledge about Tappit and its usage. Please go through them whenever you face any issue. I suggest you to kindly go through all the videos before you start with Tappit so that you can understand it thoroughly. But if you want to go easy and do it at your own pace, then training manuals along with FAQs are also there at your assistance.